Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Scrabble. To begin, each player draws 7 letter tiles from the bag. The first player then forms a word on the board, ensuring it covers the center star square. Subsequent players build upon existing words, placing their tiles either horizontally or vertically to create new valid words. The goal is to maximize your score with each turn. Scoring in Scrabble involves adding up the point values of your played tiles. Look closely at the board for special squares. Double letter score squares will double the value of the tile placed on them. Even better, triple word score squares multiply the total value of the entire word you form by 3. Strategically using these squares is key to achieving a high score. Beyond basic word formation, Scrabble offers advanced moves. If you suspect an opponent's word is not valid, you can challenge it. If the word is invalid, that player loses their turn. You can also exchange some or all of your 7 tiles for new ones from the bag. This strategic move costs you a turn, but can improve your options. The game concludes when all the letter tiles have been drawn from the bag, and one player has used all the tiles on their rack. At this point, any tiles remaining on other players' racks are subtracted from their total scores. The player with the highest overall score wins the game. Remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, as well as other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.